Hello everybody, my name is Jose Rodriguez, and in today's video we will show you how to download and install VirtualBox in macOS environments. Please open a window in your preferred web browser and go to virtualbox.org. You will see the welcome page for VirtualBox, and on the left side of your screen you will see different menu options. Let's open the Downloads menu in a new tab, and it should take us to the following page where you can see all the binaries for current versions of VirtualBox. There are binary files for Windows systems, macOS systems, Linux systems, and so on. We will click on the macOS Intel host option to get the VirtualBox installer. After downloading the installer, you can go to the Downloads folder and you can run the file by double clicking on it. You will get a window like this that is showing you two steps that we need to complete in order to start using VirtualBox. We need to double click in this icon to complete the installation process, and then we can open VirtualBox from from the applications folder. So let's start by making double click on this icon, and you will get this window that is giving you welcome for the installation process. So let's just click on continue. This is information about the size of the file that will be used in your computer. If you want, you can change the install location. I will go with the default value here, and I will just click on install. It will ask you for the credentials of an administrator account. So let's just give me 1 second so I can insert the credentials. Okay, so now the installation process is being completed, and we just need to wait until that process is complete. It shouldn't take that long, honestly. Okay, the installation was successful. Now we can just click on close. It will ask you if you want to remove the installer that we downloaded before. So since we don't need this installer again, we can just move it to the trash. And now what we can do is we can, using the command space shortcut, you can open a search bar for applications, and we can type VirtualBox, and you will see that here's the application. And this is the window for the VirtualBox application. And if you want to get some information about the version of VirtualBox that you are uh, working with, you can go to the VirtualBox menu, and then you can click on About VirtualBox, and you will get this other window with information about the version. In this case, we have installed version 7.0.10 in our macOS system. Thank you for watching this video.